Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to add voice record in Canva using phone. Okay, so first of all, just go on the Play Store and download this app, Dolby On. This will record crystal and clear voice. Also, it will delete all the background noises. Okay, so after recording your voice into the app, just open Canva, open your design. Okay, now go on bottom and click on uploads, and here go on the audio section and click on upload files. Okay, now just click on device and upload your desired recording. After uploading recording, you will see your recording over here. Just click on it, and here, as you can see, the voice recording is added. Now just click on it, and here you can see there are many options. You can also enhance your voice using this feature, enhance voice. Just click on it. Now as you can see, my voice is enhanced. You can also adjust its volume. You can fade it, fade in or fade out. Also you can split it. Many more things. So that's it for the video. That's how you can add voice record in Canva using phone. Thanks for watching.